Hello friends, today's topic for the safety of money in trading account, use new ASBA facility. Know it. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. One of the most common questions new investors ask is that what if my broker runs away or closes down? What will happen to my shares and what will happen to the money in account? As you know, there are two types of accounts required for stock market investment. Demat account, trading account. First one is demat account. Hold the shares in your purchase. Second one, trading account. Hold the money used to purchase shares. Number one, demat account. Your broker opens a demat account with one of the depositories. There are only two deposits in India, which are quasi-government organizations. Number one, CDSL, Central Depository Service Limited. B, NSDL, National Securities Depositories Limited. Second one is trading account. This is an account maintained with a broker which holds the money for investment. You will need to transfer money from your savings account to your trading account for investment in shares. When you buy shares, the trading account is debited with the amount. When shares are sold, the trading account is credited with the amount after brokerage and some stock exchange transaction charges. What happens to our shares in demat account if our broker runs away or closes down? Your shares are held with a depository, CDSL or NSDL. So in case your broker is no longer operating, your shares are still safe and you will be given information on how to transfer the shares to another broker demat account. Since all authorities like SEBI, NSE, BSE and the depositories will be aware if a broker closes down, investors will be given information what steps they need to take to transfer their shares to another broker. There is no need to worry whether your shares are safe or not. What happens to our balance in the trading account if our broker runs away or closes down? SEBI has made efforts to secure this money also for the investors. SEBI maintains a fund called Investor Protection Fund through which investors can claim their trading account balance in case their broker closes down. Trading account balance of up to 25 lakhs can be claimed from the Investor Protection Fund. The claim has to be filled within 3 years of the closing down of the broker. If the claim is made after 3 years, then the investor will not receive any compensation. Just yesterday, CDSL has announced another very important step towards safety of investors' money in trading account of brokers. CDSL will be launching UPI block facility for stock market investments from 30th December 2023. As of now, when we apply for an IPO, ASBA facility will be implemented. ASBA stands for Application Supported by Blocked Amount. It means that the amount which we intend to invest is not debited from our bank account but only blocked so that we cannot use it for any other purpose. If there is shares allotted to the investor in an IPO, the appropriate amount will be debited and any excess amount blocked will be released. In this system, investor continues to hold the money in his bank account and earning interest on it without needing to send it to the company and then receiving a refund if IPO is not allowed. Now, the similar ASBA system is being introduced into the secondary market, I mean stock markets too, where whatever investment we want to make need to be in the trading account of the broker but will be blocked in our bank account to be debited directly from our bank account. Large number of people keep asking us the details regarding our next upcoming stock market workshops 3 months online Canada. And in order to give some details, we are conducting a free introductory webinar on 17 December Sunday from 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. And for more details, refer to the scroll that is running at the bottom of the video. Now, SEBI plans to introduce the ASBA facility from January 1st as an operational basis for both stockbrokers and the investors. The facility will only be the equity cash segment in the beginning. The move will help misuse of client funds by brokerages. The investor will be able to register for it only if the stockbroker has also opted for UPI block facility. Settlement of funds and securities will be done by the clearing corporation without the need of the stockbroker to handle the funds. Initially, it may not be offered by all brokers and it may be opted by all investors. However, in the near future, most investors and brokers will utilize this facility to increase their safety of funds and investment in stock markets. In many aspects, SEBI has implemented systems which are not even available in the stock markets of developed countries. By March 2024, SEBI will be moving to T plus 0 settlement system in the stock markets where shares will get credited the same day as purchase, and when we sell shares, the money is credited on the same day. SEBI also plans to implement instantaneous settlement that is immediate in 2025 after T plus 0 system is stabilized. At the end of the video, here is a question. Will you opt for UPI block facility for stock market investments? Yes or no? In case you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.